Hello children, good morning. I am your English teacher teaching of English. Today we are all here to know the story of the boy who sold wisdom. What is the meaning of wisdom? The quality of having experience, knowledge and good judgment, the quality of being wise. The story is based on a boy named Nagendra who had placed a stall in the marketplace saying wisdom on sale. One day, ignorant boy called Babu came and bought some wisdom worth a nickel from him, but this angered his father and they went back to return the wisdom and get back the money. Before starting the lesson, we know the a story of wisdom, Akbar and Birbal. Pre-reading task. Read the following passage and answer the questions that follow. Pre-reading lesson. King Akbar received a letter from a neighboring king asking for a pot full of wisdom. He in turn consulted his clever jester Birbal. Birbal requested the king to give him some time to give a pot full of wisdom. The king agreed. So, Birbal grew a pumpkin in a pot and gave it to the king. The king in turn sent it across to the neighboring king with a note. The wisdom should be removed without damaging in pot or the wisdom in it. If you damage either of them, you should be ready for a battle. The neighboring king was surprised to see the pot full of wisdom, realized his mistake, and fell at the emperor's feet. He begged the emperor forgive him. What was the demand of the neighboring king? The neighboring king asked King Akbar to send him a pot full of wisdom. How did Birbal get a pot full of wisdom? Birbal grew a pumpkin in a pot and gave it to Akbar. The third question, what is the meaning of a pot full of wisdom? Wisdom is not a thing. It cannot be measured. The neighboring king wanted to insult King Akbar. Birbal grew a pumpkin in a pot. It was sent to the neighboring king with a note that he should remove the wisdom without damaging the pot or the wisdom in it. As it was not possible, the neighboring king begged Akbar to forgive him. What is the moral of the story? Wit and presence of mind can help solve the strangest of problems. Let's read and enjoy the lesson, The Boy Who Sold Wisdom. First para. Nagendra was orphaned and found himself without a job. He was clever and he had learned many things by observing his father. One day, he had a brilliant idea. He went into town and hired the smallest and cheapest place he could find and set up a shop. He spent a few nickel coins he had on paper, ink, and a pen. Over his shop, he put a placard that said, "Wisdom for sale." All around him were merchants who had large shops. They sold cloth, jewelry, fruits, vegetables, and things the people bought every day. Nagendra called out, "All kinds of wisdom for sale, reasonable prices." The people who had come to buy things could not see anything in his shop, but could only hear the words he was shouting. They crowded around and laughed at him. No one bought even one piece of wisdom from him, but he was patient. Nagendra was a clever orphan. The meaning of the orphan is a child whose parents are dead, nothing but parentless, who had learned many things by observing his father, but now he was an unemployed young boy. One day, he was struck with a brilliant idea. He opened a shop in the town hiring the smallest and the cheapest place he could find. He spent a nickel on paper. Nickel means a coin. A coin on paper, ink and a pen. He fixed a placard on his shop which read "Wisdom for sale." He then called out aloud that wisdom was for sale at his shop and at a reasonable price. People who came to buy others' things laughed at him because they could find anything in his shop but could only see him and hear his words as he shouted out that wisdom was for sale. Nobody bought anything from him as they could find nothing to buy. Nagendra, however, did not lose his patience.